So here underneath Effect Controls, I've created a simple pop-in scale animation for my avatar. Right now, the keyframes are linear. This means that the movement from point A to point B and point C is very flat. If I lasso and select the last two keyframes and right-click, I can choose to make these keyframes ease in. And what this does is it gives the keyframes a Bezier curve. Now, if we play it back, the animation between these points are far more curved and smooth, and it just looks better. So that's all there is to creating smoother animations in Premiere Pro, and I'll see you next time.